Software piracy is still a major global problem. Around 37% of programs worldwide are unlicensed, causing billions in losses every year. A pirated software is a copy of a program that is shared or used without permission from the owner or company that made it. It is not legal and does not have a proper license. Cracked software may look free, but the hidden risks are costly. Here are the dangers of using pirated software, viruses, and security problems. Pirated programs may have viruses, malware, or harmful files that can damage your computer or steal your information. No updates or help. You will not get important updates, fixes, or customer support from the company. This makes your computer more open to errors and security risks. Legal problems. Using or sharing pirated software can result in punishment, such as paying fines or even going to jail. But you have better choices. Free, safe, and legal alternatives exist for almost everything. Use LibreOffice for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Firefox for web browsing and Thunderbird for email. VLC Media Player for playing videos and audio files. Gym for editing photos and images. Linux, for example, Ubuntu for your operating system. Protect yourself further. Keep software updated and use antivirus tools to block hidden threats. Pirated software might seem like a way to save money, but it can cost you your files, your privacy, and even your freedom. Protect your devices, your data, and your future. Choose genuine or open source software.
Hi, my name is Ferna and I'm a student in a computer ethics course. The video I presented earlier was my project and I'd like to share how I created it. I chose pirated software as my topic because it is something I'm familiar with. I started by researching my topic and gathering information for the introduction, definition, risks, and alternatives. To help me organize my ideas, I use OpenAI to summarize my research, draft scripts, and suggest a storyboard, which I later adjusted. My sources included software piracy articles by Panda Security, Jajayat Prasad, Benjamin Gorman, and Geraldo Homero. For production, I first recorded myself reading the script and used CapCut to remove the background, although I did not include it in my final video. I also generated images using OpenAI and Gemini, including some based on my photo. For images of alternative software and antivirus programs, I used screenshots and screen captures of my laptop. To add variety, I downloaded royalty-free images and videos from Pexels and Pixabay, and with the AI of Pixverse and CapCut, I was able to turn some of those images into short video clips. At one point, I also tried using a presentation tool to add background and text slides. But I decided not to include them in the final video since they made it look more like a lecture instead of an advocacy presentation. I also created a talking avatar of myself. I recorded my voice, uploaded a photo of me generated with Gemini. The photo was edited using FaceApp to add makeup and using Gemini to change the business attire. The final result was an avatar that used my real voice. CapCut was used to refine the background of the avatar. In the end, I combined all the videos, images, and the avatar in CapCut. I also added background music available in CapCut. One dark track and one lighter track were added to match the scenes. The main tools I used were OpenAI for summaries, scripts, and some images, Gemini for photo-based images, Pexels and Pixabay for royalty-free media, Pixverse for image-to-video conversion, and CapCut for AI videos, the avatar, editing, and combining everything. So that is how I created my ethics video project.